Hello humans, Siren here, and in today's video, I'm gonna be reviewing the July IPSY bag. What? So I'm really excited to get into today's bag. I mean, just look at it. This is like the cutest bag I've gotten in a while. It's got like a waterproof material. I'm gonna be using this religiously. This little emblem, I don't know if you can see it. Look at that. Look at that. How cute is that? It's a little airplane. And it says, escape. I don't know, it's funny. It looks like the word escape. Let's dig in. Okay. So the first product I see is the one that I actually got with my points. If you're not familiar with IPSY and their point system, they reward you points for every product that you review. And once you get a certain amount of points, you get free products. So I really wanted to try out a lip scrub, and I got the Naked Cosmetics Vanilla Cream Lip Scrub. So let's try a little bit of that out. Oh, it smells incredible. I don't know if you can see. It's like a creamy color to it. It's not just white. It smells really good. So I'm just gonna put some on the lips and scrub-a-dub-dub. Cool thing about lip scrubs is they're edible. Because it's pretty much just sugar that you're scrubbing into your skin. And it helps get rid of all the dead skin cells. Can't argue with that. You get a treat and exfoliation. Natural exfoliation. Gotta say, I'm really glad I used my points for that. So let's go into the next product. So I also got a Watermelon Burst Hydrating Lip Oil from Eyece. I don't know how to pronounce that. It's this. It's that. I love that I got it because it's watermelon, and watermelon's my favorite. Oh, it's very like hydrating. It's not super sticky. Oh, that's the one problem I have with a lot of like lip oils. Oh, my lips feel pampered. This is definitely a more lip-oriented bag. Not upset about it. Let's get this last lip product out of the way. This is Beauty for Real, and the color is really red, and it's a lip cream. It's perfect travel size, and it looks like it's the perfect dramatic red shade. I'm gonna apply this and let's see. I'm using one swipe. Let's see if it's enough. Holy pigment. Okay, that is the most pigmented lip gloss that I have ever seen in my entire life. This stuff is crazy pigmented. That's using one swipe. I don't know what to, I'm mind blown. This bag is turning out incredible. My lips are very happy this summer. But let's go on to the next product. I'm actually gonna do the last two products together because it is a brush and eyeshadow. So this is Luxie Beauty. I've gotten one of their brushes before. I really like their brushes. I like the fact that they have this little dip in the brush. If you can see that. It definitely helps when you're doing your makeup. It helps your fingers stay in place and not slip around on the brush. But this is another brand that I really like. It's Space Case. I don't know if you guys have ever used Space Case before, but the blush that I have on my face is actually Space Case. But this is the packaging. It's super cute. Like aesthetic. Come on, like look at it. It's a spaceship. It's so cute. But let's get into this color and see what the shade is. Ooh, it's like a really pretty, like muted brown, metallic brown. It looks like it would be really nice for a nude look with a pop of metallic. So I'm just gonna take this brush, dip into it, and cover my lid with it just for a simple yet elegant look. Guys, this is one of the most simple looks I think I've ever done on this channel, and I feel the most glamorous I think I've ever felt in my life. I'm not wearing any eyeliner, no mascara, but this, I mean, it's literally two products. It's the lip gloss and this eyeshadow, and I'm feeling gorgeous. All the products, perfect. I love the way they applied. The brush is really good at blending eyeshadows. This eyeshadow is really easy to blend, and it's such a beautiful color. You can just use it for a simple day, simple look. If you're on the go and you need something really quick, this lip gloss and this eyeshadow, boom, maybe throw on a little bit of mascara, psh, you're good to go. Like, I usually like to carry around maybe a lighter shade just to pop in the inner corner, and then that's the most simple, easy look, but you look like a movie star, girl. That was my review of the July IPSY Glam bag. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite product was, and if you'd like to see me review one of your favorite products, let me know what it is also. If you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Tap that bell so you can be notified whenever I post videos. I post videos every Wednesday and Saturday at 3 p.m. And if you enjoyed this video, why don't you press a like? Thank you guys so much for staying tuned. I appreciate all your love and support, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!